We've all heard the warnings. Don't buy a used EV. The battery will die and it'll cost a fortune to replace. But what if those skeptics were completely wrong? A massive new study has just dropped and it turns out electric vehicle batteries are outlasting almost everyone's expectations. A London-based company called Generational has just released their battery performance index. They didn't just look at a handful of cars, they analysed 8,000 electric cars across 36 different brands. We are talking about everything from brand new EVs to 12-year-old daily drivers, with mileages ranging from 0 to over 160,000 miles. So what did they find? Across this massive sample size, the average battery state of health was staggering 95%. And to put that into perspective, most manufacturers won't even consider a warranty replacement until a battery drops below 70%. These cars aren't coming close to that danger zone. But what about the really old EVs? The study looked at vehicles between 8 and 12 years old. The median battery health still sat at 85%. The absolute lowest average in that age group was 82%, and the best cared for older cars were still operating at 90% of their original factory capacity. And there's more. High mileage doesn't mean what it used to. Vehicles with over 100,000 miles still showed battery health between 88 and 95%. The study proves that mileage alone is actually a terrible way to predict how healthy an EV battery is. The real issue the industry faces in 2026 isn't battery failure, it's transparency. As EVs get older, the gap between a perfectly maintained battery and a poorly maintained one widens. Buyers need a way to actually see the health of a used EV's battery so they know exactly what they're paying for. By creating clear benchmarks, the used EV market becomes less of a gamble and much more reliable. So, the data is in. EV batteries are tough, they last, and the dead battery myth is finally getting busted. But I want to hear from you. Does this study change your mind about buying a used EV? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.